Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to solve this account no longer use WhatsApp. So let's start. First let's go to our browser and then let's go to WhatsApp support. So now let's click on the first option that says contact WhatsApp. Here appears the option for support WhatsApp. Just go to this WhatsApp messenger support, write contact us, then scroll down, write your phone number. So now select your country and then just write your phone number. Okay, so here you write this phone number and then your email address, then you confirm your email address and then just write how do you use WhatsApp, Android, then scroll down and let's write for example, hello sir, my WhatsApp says this account is no longer used. So you can write whatever you want, but just describe the situation very well. So just write it. Now, as you can see, I wrote this message. Hello sir, my WhatsApp says my account can no longer use it. Please review my account and fix this problem. Thank you. So now, after you wrote it, just next step, and now you can wait for WhatsApp support, and then the WhatsApp support will contact you by email or phone number. So that is how it works. Well, guys, I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.